New to the Jen Kingwell design group, we now have sandpaper boards, which are fabulous. They are lightweight, so great for traveling. The back can be used as a surface for tracing, and a nice medium grade weight sandpaper on the front, and they're just the perfect size for all sorts of things that you might like to use. So even a large template will fit on them really nicely. All right, I love them. Fabric down, they grip my fabric as I trace around my templates, so they're just super to use. Another product that is coming very, very shortly are the template grips. Now, I know when I teach, a lot of people, when they're tracing around the templates or even rotary cutting, find it difficult with especially a smaller template where they can't get a decent grip on it. These are amazing little things. They just peel off, and just one per template is all you need, and they just hold that template in place. They're not sticky on this side, but just the nature of them just means that your template does not slide around. So with your sandpaper board under your fabric and your template grip on your template, it's so easy to either rotary cut or just draw with your pencil.